Hello and welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the MINUOYI Women's Classic Latex Mini Skirt. This skirt is a must-have in every woman's wardrobe, offering style and comfort like no other. The MINUOYI Women's Classic Latex Mini Skirt is available in a range of beautiful colors including light gray checks, claret checks, army green checks, navy blue checks, yellow-gray checks, khaki checks, sapphire checks, and orange checks. Made from high-quality fleece material, this skirt is designed to be both stylish and comfortable. The skirt comes in various sizes ranging from XS to XXXL, offering a perfect fit for every body type. It features a high waist and pleating detail, making it perfect for any occasion including school, sports, shopping, traveling, and more. Before purchasing, make sure to refer to the size chart provided by the brand, as the item comes in Asia size tags. The size chart includes measurements for hips, waist, and length, ensuring a perfect fit for every individual. In conclusion, the MINUOYI Women's Classic Latex Mini Skirt is the best option available on the market. With its stylish design, comfortable fit, and versatile wear, this skirt is a must-have in every woman's closet. Don't miss out on adding this fantastic piece to your collection. That's it for today's review on the MINUOYI Women's Classic Latex Mini Skirt. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Product Critique.